How to fix Redmi Note 13 screen flickering issue. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and then scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now here you can see the option auto brightness. If you turn on auto brightness, then turn it off. After turning off auto brightness, then go back and click on apps and then click on manage apps. Now on top right corner you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on other settings. Now click on reset app preferences and then click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, then go back to your main page of your settings and then click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.